In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to change power steering fluid. No special tools needed. Let's get to it. To change your power steering fluid, all you need are these common tools. You'll need a fluid pump to pump the old fluid out and a funnel to put the new fluid in. And of course, you'll need new power steering fluid. The reason you want to change your power steering fluid is because over time it will get saturated with impurities. By changing the power steering fluid, you remove these impurities and drastically increase the life expectancy of your power steering pump. You can find the correct type of power steering fluid in your owner's manual, so make sure you verify this. Finally, you'll need a jack and jack stands to easily change the power steering fluid. Or if you don't have those, we're going to show you a super easy trick with 2 pieces of cardboard that works just as good, so stay tuned. The first step is to locate the power steering fluid reservoir. It's usually located under the hood on the driver's side, and it's indicated by a steering wheel symbol. If you're not sure you've got the right one, you can always look up its location in your owner's manual. Before opening the reservoir, always wipe everything down so no dirt or debris can fall in. Then remove the cap and check if the opening is clear. Some cars have a little filter that you need to take out before you can access the power steering fluid. Then grab a cup or container and your fluid pump and pump the old power steering fluid out. We're going to save the fluid in transparent cups each time we pump it out so we can show you afterwards. And with the old fluid out, just look at the difference with the new fluid we're going to put in. The old fluid is dark and murky instead of transparent because of all the contaminants it absorbed. Although the reservoir is empty now, there is still fluid in the power steering pump itself and in the hoses. We're going to show you the easiest way to refresh that fluid without completely flushing your power steering pump. If you do want to flush it, we'll show you this in a separate video. You can click the pop-up or go to the description below where we've put a link to the video. But if you change your fluids regularly, you normally don't ever need to do a full flush. Put a funnel in and fill the reservoir with fresh fluid. After putting the cap back on, it's time to mix the old and new fluid. If you have a jack and jack stands, put your car on those and make sure you can turn your wheels all the way left and right. If you can't put your car up on jack stands, grab 2 pieces of cardboard that are a bit larger than the contact area of your wheel and place them stacked on each other in front of your wheel. Do this on the other side as well and drive on them. Now you can easily turn your wheels left and right. The cardboard reduces friction a lot and prevents wear or damage to the tires and ground. With the new fluid in the reservoir, turn the wheels all the way left and all the way right a couple of times so the old fluid mixes with the new. Then pump the slightly cleaner fluid out and fill it back up again with fresh fluid so you can repeat the process. Each time you fill the reservoir, circulate it, pump it out, and fill it with new fluid, you dilute the old, contaminated power steering fluid until it's pretty much fresh fluid. You want to do this until the fluid that you pump out is very close in color to the new fluid. As you can see, we did it 3 times and each time the fluid we pumped out got closer in color to the new fluid. And when the color is almost matching, like in this case, you can fill it one last time with fresh fluid and close it up again. But make sure your fluid is topped to the full line. If you have a dipstick like ours, make sure you fill it to the cold full indication, not the hot full. That's all there is to it. Now you can change your power steering fluid. Thanks for watching. More videos are on the way, so be sure to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps us out a lot. Our content wouldn't be possible without the amazing support of our patrons and YouTube channel members, whose crew you can join via the links in the description to see our schedule, vote on future videos, get behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, and much more. This is Classic Car Maintenance, and we'll see you on the next one.